Hi my royals, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to this channel, my name is Aramideskitchen and I'm a food and lifestyle creator based in Lagos, Nigeria. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gizdodo. In case you're not familiar, Gizdodo is simply sauced gizzard and plantains together. Okay, now we're going to start by cleaning our gizzard properly. It's either you use vinegar or you use lemon. Just make sure to clean them properly because sometimes they might not come in clean or there might be some kind of, dirt residue on them. So you want to be sure your gizzard is properly cleaned. Now you're going to chop them up into biteable sizes, just like this, small chunks, exactly like this. Now you want to pour them into a pan, then you are going to season it up. I season with some paprika, curry and thyme, oregano, seasoning powder and salt. Then you add some onions, garlic. Then you're going with some vegetable oil, not too much of it, just a little. And then you're going to stir everything together to combine. And lastly, you want to add little amount of water to help the gizzard cook and make sure it is soft, okay? So you don't want to bite on hard gizzard, more like cooking and frying at the same time. And while that is going on, I'm going to prep my plantains. I'm going to be cutting them into small chunks as well. I'm going to fry the plantain till it is golden brown. Yeah, golden brown. I genuinely do not know why my oil is foaming. Please, if you know the reason, let me know in the comments, because I don't want to believe the oil I'm using is bad. And also I don't know if it's the silicone spoon, but if you have any idea, let me know in the comments. At this point, the liquid in the gizzard are dried up, so you want to stir fry the gizzard so you can fry a bit, not too much frying, okay? Afterwards, we're going to prep our pepper mix. For the pepper mix, I'm using about 4 pieces of tomatoes and more of Tatase basically, and then the Scotch bonnet should just be to your level of heat tolerance, okay? You're going to blend this into rough texture. I'm using my Pucci mix food processor, by the way, and this is what you get after rough blending it. And once the oil begins to float to the top like this, you would know your pepper is properly fried. Now go in with your bell peppers and of course go in with your plantains. Now you're going to stir fry this for about 3 minutes. And that's it, your Gizdodo is ready. Please do not forget to subscribe to this channel. Do not forget to like, comment, share and save this video. One thing about Gizdodo, you can either enjoy it as a main dish like this, or you proceed to serve it as a side dish with jollof rice, with spaghetti, so many options, okay? And you're good to go. I hope you find this video helpful and I'll see you in my next one. Thanks for watching.